Let's change the battery in this 2007 Honda Civic. This should be the same in all 8th-gen Honda Civics. Locate the battery under the hood on the driver's side. The first step is to take off the negative battery terminal. It's a 10 millimeter. You can use a socket or a wrench, whatever you have. Loosen it up some, and that should be enough to wiggle that wire off of there. So remove that negative battery cable and put it out of the way. Next, we'll get access to the positive wire by lifting this cover. And the same thing, it should be a 10 millimeter. Loosen it up until you can rotate it and then pull it off, kind of tuck it out of the way. On the positive battery cable, there is a plastic clip that's just pressed down onto this battery hold down stud. So just pull that off of there. If it doesn't want to pull off, you can use your 10 millimeter and kind of remove it. Now let's remove the battery hold down, which is just these two wing nuts here. So we'll go ahead and remove this front one. And this battery hold down rod is a long rod with a hook on the bottom of it. If you loosen it most of the way, you should be able to press that rod down and get that hook removed from the hole that goes in, just like that. We'll have to loosen this other side as well. And that should be enough to allow you, see, there's the hook if you want to see it. Now we should be able to tuck this out of the way. We can remove the plastic cover first that goes over around the battery. It's just a protector for the battery. And now we have access to your battery. You should just lift right out of there. Have a look at your battery cables and make sure there's no excess corrosion. If there is, take a wire brush of some kind and clean it up, or some sandpaper would work as well. Surprisingly, I did find that the battery from the Honda dealer is actually about 50 to 60 bucks cheaper than the batteries from the parts stores. So do yourself a favor and call the Honda dealer, see what the price is before you buy a battery. Let's go ahead and slide the battery down where it goes. Now let's slide the plastic battery cover into position. Now I'll get the battery hold down in position where it goes with the hold down rods. Mine actually came undone, but that's okay. Just fit the hooks where they go into the holes. And then tighten up the wing nuts. Here's a tip for before you put your new battery in. It probably has a sticker on it that indicates when you purchase the battery. Sometimes these parts stores put that sticker on the side of the battery where you won't be able to see it once the battery's installed. So take that sticker and make sure that it's on the top of your battery where you can always see it. That way, a few years from now, you'll be able to tell easily how old your battery is. So our new battery has these plastic covers over the battery posts. We're going to go ahead and remove this negative one and get our negative wire on the battery. And then go ahead and tighten down that negative battery post. Now, time for the positive. We're gonna remove this red plastic cover here over the post. Before we connect this, be aware, it's possible your horn will beep or even your car alarm might start going off when you connect this. So have your key fob handy, just in case that happens. Okay, let's make sure this positive terminal is now tight. 10 millimeter. And then put your protective cap back on. This plastic clip goes on top of this stud here, this rod, just to hold the wire better. And that's it. You're all done. If this video helped you all out, give me a thumbs up and follow me for more videos on Honda Civics and other types of vehicles.